What are the chances?
Oh my God.
Wow.
It looks so much better on you.
No, it does not. You look amazing. We both look stunning, but I haven't worn this dress in forever. It's so weird.
Yeah, me neither, actually.
I feel like I've seen you around a bunch of times, but I've never actually. I'm Marissa.
I'm Jenny.
Hi. Your son is in Mr. Williams' class too, right?
Yeah, Jacob. Yours is...
Milo. Yeah. So weird. You okay? Yeah. You know what? I didn't actually come in here to pee. I just had to escape from out there. It's just so intense. If I brought back 2 glasses of wine, what would you think?
I'd love it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay.